Today we're diving into some exciting news from the world of space exploration. We are talking about China's ambitious plans to send astronauts to the moon, and these plans have reached a very important milestone. China's main space contractor has conducted a successful static launch test of the first stage of its Long March 10th rocket, a crucial step towards sending astronauts to the moon. This test was conducted in Fengtai district of Beijing on Friday, June 14th. The China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology, CALT, announced on its WeChat channel that the test started normally, operated stably, and was closed as planned. This marks a major milestone in China's goal of sending astronauts to the moon before 2030. By comparison, NASA aims to achieve this feat with the Artemis 3rd mission by 2026. The testing involved 3 YF-100K kerosene liquid oxygen engines in a 5.0-meter diameter configuration. Although the capacity of the test stand limited the engines to 3, the ignition was considered a complete success. The entire first stage of the Long March 10 will be powered by 7 such engines, and 2 additional stages will be added to the center stage of the rocket. This test also validated many critical aspects of the rocket, including the use of common baffles, the propellant loading process, and the electrostatic servo mechanism, all of which contributed to making the rocket lighter and more efficient. Long March 10th will be a massive 3-stage rocket, 92.5 meters high. In its first stage alone, it will have 3 cores with a total mass of 2,189 tons and approximately 2,678 tons of thrust at liftoff. This power plant is designed to carry a payload of at least 27 tons to the Earth-Moon transfer orbit. 2 critical launches are planned for the Long March 10th to take astronauts to the moon and back. The first launch will carry the Mengzhou crewed spacecraft, while the second will carry the Lanyu lunar lander. These 2 components will meet in lunar orbit. The 2 astronauts will then land on the moon's surface in the lander, spend 6 hours exploring, and return to their counterparts in lunar orbit for the return journey to Earth. Additionally, a variant of the Long March 10 will support missions in low Earth orbit, carrying crew and cargo to the Tiangong space station. This version will be 67 meters long with a reusable first stage. It will have a takeoff mass of 740 tons and produce approximately 892 tons of thrust and be capable of carrying at least 14 tons into low Earth orbit. The reusable first stage design has been validated at scale. Instead of traditional landing legs, a pushback force will be used to capture it with taut wires. The YF-100K engines used are upgraded versions of the YF-100 engines that power China's new kerosene rockets, which have been in service for less than a decade. New launch facilities for the Long March 10 are being built at the Wenchang Satellite Launch Center on Hainan Island, preparing for the exciting future of lunar exploration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.